Another product that I absolutely swear by is this growth oil thickening formula. Now listen, Linda, okay, we gonna go through this like 1, 2, 3, you feel me? Okay, all right, we out in here in these streets, okay, moving and grooving, yes we are. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so when it comes to summer fun, I am so looking forward to summer, okay? Look, they have the Outdoor Fun Bubble Storm, okay, $1.25. They also have the Touch a Bubble, $1.25. Touch a Bubble, Toucher, oh, what this is Toucher. All right, this is $1.25 as well. And then the Bubble Blaster. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Okay, 2 pieces for $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield, and they come in like 2 different colors. They have the yellow and the orange, and then the pink and the red. Really, really fun. And then they also have water bombs over here. Well, these are the water balloons. You get 150 for $1.25 as well. I love doing the water balloons at the park. Oh my goodness, it's nice and hot, honey. You got your watermelon on the bench. Okay, you got your frozen icicle. Could you tell I'm looking forward to summer? Could you? All right, they also have the chalk holder set, which is $1.25 as well. The bubble blower, animal bubble blower, $1.25. They also have the novelty wands over here. These are so cute. Absolutely love it. Okay, get into the unicorn, honey. She doing her thing like a chicken wing. Okay, they come in different colors. Absolutely love that. Now they also have the bubbles over here, which are $1.25 as well. They also have the jumbo chart 3-piece. All right, really cool. Love it. And then they also have some more chalk over here. All right, so I had showed you guys these. All right, these are so cute. Silicone coin purses. Okay, they come in different colors. They have the orange, the blue, the green. Okay, and they are $1.25. I like to say this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Okay, honey, get into it, and there's nothing but to do it. You get what I'm saying, Linda? Peace, family, peace. Okay, so today we are at 49th Street Dollar Tree, okay, in West New York. We was here yesterday, but honey, my intuition told your girl to come, so we back today. Okay, let's go inside. All right, some more items that are really decorative and look good. Okay, these oven mittens over here. Okay, now we had seen these are $1.25. Live life in full bloom. I know that's right. Happy spring they have. And then they also have the kitchen towels to go with it. And then they have the saucers, the bowls, the glasses. They did have the mugs. I think they most likely probably sold out. And then they also have some more microfiber towels and oven mittens as well. And then they have the glasses, Happy Spring, saucers, bowls. Oh, yeah. Oh, they do have the mugs. They have the mugs for this one, $1.25. And then they also have these plastic containers over here that you can put like flour. This is really good. $1.25. You can put flour in here, rice in here, sugar, whatever it is that you got in those cabinets that you buy a lot of. Okay, like flour and stuff, honey, you could sure get a few of these for $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree, I guess they said, you know what, honey, this is a hit. Okay, this instant root touch up, they have brought some more back in the stores. Okay, now normally the brown goes quick. Okay, but they also have the blonde, and they had another one. Was it black? I think it was black. Oh yeah, so that you see somebody put this all the way in a bag. They didn't want you guys to see it, but I'm sure gonna move it to the front. Okay, I'm gonna move it to the front. Okay, all right, I'm gonna move it to the front. All right, they didn't want the good folks to see that they had the black back here. Okay, honey. Who did that? All right, these are $1.25. So they have the black, the brown, and also the blonde. So if you guys didn't know, yes, Dollar Tree is now selling droppers, okay? Aromatherapy. Okay, now this is to relax, great for massages or natural moisturizer and aromatherapy. This is 100% pure and natural essential oils, okay? This is Aroma Guru, okay? Now, I never heard that until I seen this at Dollar Tree, okay? And then they also have another one. This is the lavender, same as their concept, ready to use dropper, great for massages or natural moisturizer, aromatherapy, okay? All right, so these are the two that they pretty much working with. $1.25. And if you're a person that's looking for some more oven mittens, Dollar Tree definitely has them, okay? For the Easter theme. Now, you guys know that Dollar Tree was selling the Sesame Street oven mittens, the Easter ones, Easter theme. Honey, you see they sold out, okay? But I'm still on the lookout. Maybe they have them in one of the stores that I visit this week. I know I'm gonna find them, okay? But these pot holders, 2-pack, $1.25, and then they also have them over here, which are $1.25 as well. And then they also have the oven mittens and then a microfiber kitchen towels. Okay, so you guys know that Dollar Tree is now carrying the pillowcases like for Easter. When I first seen these, I was so delighted, okay? They have the pink one and then they also have the blue, and this is pretty much how it's gonna look. Hippity hoppity. Hey. All right, family, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Honey, I'm on my way to the next Dollar Tree, okay? All right, in Fairview, New Jersey. Let's go. Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree on 29th Street, okay? Listen, message today is get up and keep on going. Okay, no matter how your circumstances may look, get up and keep on going. Let's see what they have inside. All right, listen, Linda, are you ready for this? Okay, I'm not gonna begin to tell you that Dollar Tree is now selling this. Okay, roasted and salted whole cashews. Wait, hold on. Not only that, berry and chocolate trail mix. Okay. Wait, child. Wait, hold on. Wait for honey roasted cashews. Get into it. Fruit and nut trail mix. Wait, child. Wait, hold on, child. I ain't done yet. Okay. Roasted and salted. Okay. With 50% peanuts. Child, you know I'm gonna deliver, and that's word to the mother and the brother. Okay, now I'm gonna go on ahead and get me one of these. Okay, you know I really like the salted cashews. I'm gonna get these, and then I'm gonna also get the. You know, I love me some nuts, okay? You know, I love me some nut pores, okay? Get your mind out of together, okay? And that's words to the mother, okay? Right? I'm gonna get those, and then I'm gonna also get these. All right, now I'm also in here. Ooh, child, honey, Dollar Tree just have you in here singing, okay? They just do. They really have you in here singing, all right? Let's see what else we gonna get. Okay, let me show you guys this. Did you guys see the new nail polish? Okay, the mirror effect. All right, listen, ultra fast application, lasting long, perfection, and these are the colors. They are $1.25. Okay, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Great for the summertime. You know, right now, I am literally like, it's summer to me. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready for the summer. I hope you guys are ready. Okay, you thought I was delivering before? Okay, honey. All right, get ready. Now, they also have the Beauty Intuition. These are $1.25. We had seen these. I like this nail polish. It comes in different colors. This color right here is the pink rose. And then they also have the baby pink over here. And then also the pretty pink. Really, really cute. Honey, it's always the packaging for me. Okay, always the packaging for me. Okay, doll face. Have you seen this? Have you seen this? Okay, listen. When I seen, I said, what in the world is Dollar Tree doing now to me? Okay, you ever felt like that? What are they doing now to me? So this is the Power Stick deodorant wipes. Okay, all right. Listen, dirty wipes, hair, skin, body, cool blue water, Power Stick deodorant wipes. $1.25. Now, you guys, if you didn't know, Dollar Tree has these wipes over here. I had brought this for my youngest son. They still on his dresser. I purchased these for him before Christmas, okay? The kids still haven't been using them. And these are compared to Dew wipes, okay? Now, on here it says if you don't have time to hit the shower, you can use these. But I still say, honey, Linda, okay, Linda, you listening? You still got to hit that water, okay? You still got to hit that water. All right, you get what I'm saying, Linda? I know it says on the packaging, no time for the showers. You got to hit the water, okay? All right, let's be clear on that. Now, dirty wipes, men's face and body wipes, okay? This is the comparison to Dew wipes. I didn't even know nothing about Dew wipes until I was on TikTok, okay? But these are $1.25. Still, they're like Holyfield. Let's go. Another product that I absolutely swear by is this growth oil thickening formula, okay? Revitalizing repair. So, you guys know I make my own hair serum, right? Some of the things that I put in my own hair serum is fenugreek. I did put some of this in here because it has horsetail on here. It also has nettle. So nettle is a herb, right? Nettle, and I don't know about horsetail, but most likely it probably is. So my concoction, this is $1.25. I swear by this. This is really, really good for hair growth, okay? So I use this. I use stinging nettle. What else? Fenugreek, botana oil, castor oil. What else? Cloves, rosemary. And that's what I pretty much use for my concoction, for my hair growth concoction, okay? So, yeah, so if you see this, Softy, the hair growth oil, this is really, really good. I haven't been seeing this lately, though. But when I tell you this is good, this is really good, okay? For $1.25, that's a still deal like Holyfield. Okay, also, Dollar Tree has the mask gift sets, okay, 2 sheet masks, 1 revitalizing sheet mask, 1 smoothing sheet mask, okay, this is $1.25, and I had told you guys, this, right now, okay, right here, this one, this is, Amazon, compared to Amazon, right, and this is $1.25, this is what I use on my face, okay, now I know some of you girls, okay, been saying use this at nighttime only because I guess like with the sun and stuff like that, it'll burn your face. But I was saying like, how do it know between the daytime and the nighttime? Okay, especially since it's cold right now. But when I tell you this is good, this is really, really good. Okay, flawless, younger, perfect skin. Okay, now, they also have these acne patches. When I tell you these acne patches is so good, I will forever stay with these. It's 24 patches for $1.25. This is a still deal like Holyfield. Really, really good. Hands down. Highly recommend. All right, and we talked about this, the Glow Up Skincare Collection, okay, which is $1.25. They have the Glow Up Serum. They also have the Glow Up Night Moisturizer and the Glow Up Toner, $1.25, all of them. And then they also have the Hydrate and Skincare, honey, okay, I'm shivering. Skincare Collection, which is $1.25 compared to Neutrogena. Normally when Dollar Tree bring this in, this sells like really, really quick. And I don't know if you guys have seen the Glowing Vitamin C eye cream that Dollar Tree has from Global Beauty. They have this, and then they also have the Blemish Control Oil Free Clarifying Cleanser, which is $1.25. And each one of these, okay, they have like, is it say? So they also have the Glowing Vitamin C Skin Cream. They also have the eye cream, and then they also have the facial cream, which is $1.25 per one. Okay, so remember I had told you guys about the Body Wash Sugar Cookie Limited Edition. This is so good. This is $1.25. Really, really good. The smell of it smells chef kiss. Okay, now this one, when I tell you, is a still deal trill for real, like Holyfield. Okay, right? Coconut and vanilla. Oh my goodness, this word to the mother and the brother. Okay, it smells so delightful. And recently, I had purchased the churros. That one, oh my goodness, that body wash was really, really good. And for $1.25, a still deal like Holyfield, Linda. Tree now is selling a baby onesies. When I first seen these, I was like in awe, okay, because I was like, oh my goodness, Dollar Tree is really doing a thing for you and me. All right, these are $1.25. They did have the blue, the white, and also the pink, but at this location, I think they pretty much sold out. They only have the pink. All right, my loves, let's go to check out. Oh, check this out. Have you seen this? This looks cool. Check this out. All right, so Dollar Tree has this for the little kids. Okay, this is Endless Possibilities. What's your fave finds? Okay, this looks really, really cool. So in here, I guess it has, crack open 3 trendy toys. Okay, this is cool, especially for the kids. All right, absolutely love this. All right, well, it's a mystery. So every time when they open this, it has like toys and stuff in there for them. Look at this. Now, I think this is $3, or it's probably $5. I don't see the price on here though. This is really, really cool. I like this. And you guys know that Dollar Tree has the Mega Bubble Launchers, okay, which are $5, especially for summertime. I'm so looking forward to summer, let me tell you. They also have the Bubble Solutions, which are $5 as well. Really, really cool. The Bunch Balloons, 100 balloons in 60 seconds, $8. I so love summer, okay. Outdoor Fun, $5. And then they also have the tropical party, fill and tie 30 balloons in 20 seconds. Honey, absolutely love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the wireless speaker with party light show, neon, Bluetooth. This is $5. This looks like it's really, really interesting. Okay, I had brought a speaker from Dollar Tree that was $5, and it was really really good. Until my grandbaby had got a hold of it and you know, threw it on the floor and it broke. But for $5, a Bluetooth speaker, it was really good. All right, honey, so I'm going to check out. We got our nuts. Let's go. Braves, the blueberry scented lip gloss. Look at this. When I tell you Dollar Tree is definitely doing it for you and me. So they have the blueberry, they also have the orange, okay, and then they also have the grape. This is raspberry, child. $1.25. This looks so cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have these band bracelet kits for $1.25, so you can make different bracelets. This is nice. Honey, talk about creativity on a trillion. All right, family, so we got our nuts, okay? Make sure you guys rock out. Believe in yourselves, honey. I'm on my way to the next Dollar Trees. Until then, peace.